Hey, what's up? My name is Ben with Maker Decor, and for today's video I'm going to show you how we made this candy cart. Alright, let's get started. Make sure anytime you cut this, you have the screw on, so when you cut it, you take the screw off and it rethreads for you. If not, it can be difficult. So to cut metal, you can use anything. Circular saw, jigsaw, saw. The only thing that's going to change is the blade. So the blade on here is specifically for metal. If you get a circular saw, you'll get a metal cutting blade. They're all just switching the blade out just so it cuts for metal. They're usually pretty cheap. So I don't know if you can see it. There's a screw here, This is from the axle. The reason I use this is because I try to find something that's going to be easy for everybody else to get. You can find these at any store, Home Depot, Lowe's, probably even Walmart, the bolts. But for the size that I needed for that pipe, a little bit sticks out, about a 1/4 inch. You can take them out and cut them off, or you can just leave them there. I'm actually just going to leave them there, just because I'm going to lay the plywood over and that 1/4 inch isn't going to do anything. Just wanted to let you know, if not, it'll be sticking out a little bit. Alright, it's the next day. It got pretty dark to film yesterday, but I put some primer on it. They're gray. You're definitely going to always want to primer if you're going to paint it white. If not, some spots will shine through. So I'm just going to go over a white coat on this one. You can put hinges on the top. I tried, but I don't really like it. I'm just going to have an easier way to secure it in and out. And I'm going to put some high gloss on this tabletop. Make it shine. Sorry it took so long to put this video together. Making a candy cart and putting everything together does take time. Honestly, I never really know how I'm gonna build stuff until I start building it. Another process that kind of changed my mind on how I build stuff now is kind of thinking, how are other people gonna build stuff? Like for the axle, I would have probably normally just welded some brackets for it and made it together, but I know that's not really accessible to a lot of people, and it makes it a lot more difficult to weld some brackets together. So a lot of time I spend thinking of looking at Home Depot, Lowe's, what can I find that other people can purchase easily and kind of mimic the same thing I made. So I ended up finding those eye hooks that I showed you under there. Took me a while to figure that one out. Definitely love how this cotton candy cart came out. I know you've seen them, probably a lot more people use them for cotton candy or cocoa or just a lot popcorn, a lot of different things, especially summer's coming along. This is a nice little event, especially a little tent for outside. I'm finishing up the plans to this, so hopefully I should have them out soon. The link will be down below when I'm done. It'll be to our Etsy store. If you purchase those plans, it definitely helps us grow, put out more video, more content. All right, thanks for watching. I enjoyed making this candy cart. I have another candy cart coming out this month. Make sure to like and subscribe, really help the channel grow. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.